Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how a seed transforms into a nutritious vegetable like broccoli? From ideal growing conditions to the precise timing of the harvest and the preservation techniques that ensure its freshness, we'll take you on a journey through the fascinating world of broccoli. Let's get started. But before we get into the details, let's talk about why broccoli is not just a delicious addition to your meals, but also a nutritional vegetable. Broccoli is packed with essential nutrients, making it a must-have in a well-balanced diet. It's an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, along with fiber, folate, and minerals like potassium and iron. Studies have shown that consuming broccoli may contribute to a stronger immune system, improved digestion, and even reduced risk of chronic diseases. Now that we understand the importance of broccoli, let's take a closer look at how this vegetable is grown. The selected of high-quality broccoli seeds are ready for germination process. To kickstart this process, the seeds are sown in trays or containers filled with a suitable growing medium. This can be a specially formulated seed-starting mix or a combination of soil and compost that provides the necessary nutrients and drainage. The trays are typically placed in a controlled environment, such as a greenhouse, where temperature, humidity, and light levels can be carefully regulated. As the days pass, tiny seedlings emerge from the soil, reaching towards the light. At this stage, it's crucial to provide them with ample sunlight or artificial grow lights. This ensures proper photosynthesis, allowing the seedlings to develop sturdy stems and vibrant leaves. Once the seedlings have reached a certain size and have developed multiple leaves, they are ready for the next stage, transplantation. This typically occurs when the seedlings have grown to a height of around 3 to 4 inches or 7.5 to 10 centimeters and have developed a strong root system. At this point, the seedlings are gently removed from the trays and transplanted into the soil in the field. This step allows them to continue their growth journey, eventually developing into mature broccoli plants. Broccoli farming requires careful attention to detail and the right conditions to ensure a bountiful harvest. First and foremost, broccoli thrives in cool weather. It prefers temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 21 degrees Celsius for optimal growth. Extreme heat can cause the broccoli heads to bolt, meaning they go to seed rather than forming tight florets. Sunlight plays a vital role in the growth of broccoli. It needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to develop properly. When it comes to soil, broccoli favors well-drained, fertile soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH level. Now that we've explored the fascinating world of broccoli farming, it's time to dive into the next step, harvesting the broccoli. Knowing when and how to harvest broccoli is crucial to ensure optimal flavor, texture, and nutrition. To harvest broccoli, you'll need a sharp knife or garden shears. Begin by making a clean cut just below the head, at a slight angle. It's essential to leave a portion of the stem attached to the head for optimal preservation and storage. By removing the central head, you encourage the growth of side shoots, also known as broccolini or broccoli florets. Timing is crucial when it comes to harvesting broccoli. If you harvest too early, the florets may not have fully developed their desired texture and flavor. On the other hand, if you wait too long, the florets may start to separate, become tough, or even open into flowers. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work and expertise of the farmers who diligently harvest broccoli with precision and care. We've now arrived at the exciting stage of broccoli processing, where freshly harvested broccoli heads undergo various steps to ensure their quality, flavor, and longevity. The first step in broccoli processing is the cleaning and sorting stage. Here, the broccoli heads are carefully inspected to remove any debris, damaged florets, or unwanted parts.
Here, the processed broccoli is carefully placed into containers or bags, ensuring freshness and convenience for consumers. Throughout the processing journey, quality control measures are in place to guarantee that only the finest broccoli products make their way to your kitchen. Stringent checks are performed to maintain the highest standards of freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and interesting. If you want to learn more about agriculture and farming, be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.